How to fix Spotify something went wrong, try again. First, unlock your phone and find the Settings app. It usually looks like a gear icon. Once you're in the settings, scroll down until you see an option called App Management. Tap on it. Click on App List. Look through the list of apps until you find Spotify. It should be listed alphabetically. Tap on it when you find it. Inside the Spotify app settings, you'll see something called Storage Usage. Tap on it. In the storage section, you'll find options to clear data and clear cache. Tap on both of these options one by one. Go back to your home screen and find the Spotify app icon. Long press on it until you see options appear. Tap on Uninstall. Open the Play Store or App Store if you're using an iPhone and search for Spotify. Once you find Spotify, tap on the Install button to download and install the app again. After the installation is complete, open Spotify and check if there are any updates available for the app. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the something went wrong error on Spotify. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more useful content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.